In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Shein in Namibia. If you've ever wanted to dress yourself in trendy outfits from Shein, but aren't quite sure how to go about ordering them in Namibia, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get you sorted. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shein website. It's a fantastic platform filled with a vast array of fashionable items to choose from. Take your time to browse through the selections until you find an item that captures your interest. Once you've set your sights on a specific item, go ahead and click on it for more details. This will give you access to all the necessary information about the item, including colors, sizes, and pricing. If this is the one you want, the next step is to add it to your cart. You can do this easily by clicking on the cart icon. A little tip here. Before you click that icon, make sure to check out all the photos and read through any reviews to ensure it meets your expectations. Now, it's time to select the color and size that works for you. Shein often has a variety of shades and sizes for each item, so choose wisely based on your needs and preferences. With these selections complete, you should now click on the Add to Cart button. This confirms that the item is ready for purchase, but don't worry, you're not done yet and can still change your mind or add other items. Now that you've added your item to the cart, it's a good moment to go back to the main menu and click on the cart icon once again. This will allow you to view all the items you've selected in your cart. Make sure to review all the details thoroughly, confirming quantities, sizes, and colors to avoid any unexpected surprises when your package arrives. With everything in place and you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to the checkout. Here you'll need to fill in your billing address accurately. This is crucial because it ensures your items will be shipped to the right place. Double check all the information you enter so there are no delays with your delivery. When all details have been entered and finalized, go ahead and place the order. Once you've completed these steps, you'll receive a confirmation email from Shein regarding your purchase and expected delivery dates. That's it, folks. You've successfully navigated the process of ordering from Shein while in Namibia. With just a few simple steps, you're on your way to receiving some lovely additions to your wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.